Volkswagen sucks. How many problems you have with your Volkswagen? A ton of it, because you don't know how to drive, for one thing. Remember, you rake the oil pan off, then the transmission pan, then you ran over a Mexican.
Okay, why do we have to talk about
The Mexican wasn't the focus, man.
That was funny though, wasn't it?
Yeah, what?
The bicycle's still underneath the Focus, dude, when they traded it in, when the repo man come got it. The repo man said, damn, jack this thing up and a bicycle fell up underneath it. It was cool as hell. And there was a Mexican under there, it was sombrero. That was all that was left. But they're not going to say nothing because they're not even supposed to be here.
It's true.
They don't have any papers except toilet paper. And they put that in the trash can, they don't even flush it down the commode. You ever seen this shit? Goddamn ignorant motherfuckers. You wipe your ass, then you throw it in the trash can. Ain't that some ignorant shit?
It's gross.
It's stupid. Then you got to go in the bathroom and look at somebody's shitty toilet paper in the trash can while you're sitting on a pot next to the trash can. You know, ain't that some dumb shit? Y'all be careful if you go anywhere. I'm gonna be over at Alex's house shooting the shit with the old people. And if I